this is Lori from Siegel Solutions, and I'd like to show you how to create a forecast in QuickBooks Online, either Plus or Advanced. Once again, QuickBooks Online, both Plus and Advanced, have your budgeting and your forecasting features. What's great about forecasting is you can create a forecast, play around with the numbers, and then once you have it set, you can also create a budget right off of it. So to create the forecast, go on your left-hand side down to Financial Planning and to Forecasts. We're going to click Create a Forecast. And you can say, what's it for? I can say the rest of this year, which is June, December. I can actually say the next 2 years. So June of 25 through December of 26. I can even say up to 3 years. And then what are we basing it on? Do we want it an average of our actuals? Do we want it based on last year? Based on last year. And that's on the average. And what do we want to look at for the average? Last few months, last year. And then what are our rules? Are we expecting income? We want to think over the next, that's going to increase by, let's say, 10%. And but we're going to say we've gotten everything really good that we're going to get cost of goods sold is going to decrease by 5%. And we know to make money, we need to spend money. So we're going to have a 5% increase. You can also do the other accounts, other income, other expenses, how we want them to increase or decrease. And hit next. You'll see it is now forecasting out for the next few years. So I say, oh, gee, I think this income could be a little bit higher because it's basing it on the month to month. And I'm going to say here, I want to do it just an average of the last 12 months. I'm going to apply this. And that's how things change. And I'm going to say, if I go to the rules, what will happen if I have a 20% increase? Apply. This is really great if you're looking at forecasting of how do we want to, if we increase expenses, so if we want to increase payroll, you can also then go to different line items and actually go from here and say, okay, to increase for the 20%, I'm going to need one more staff person, so increasing payroll. And what will that look like? And work through it. So you can also forecast out the individual figures of what will it look like if we have to hire a new person. Once you're all set, you can save it. You can create multiple forecasts. And you can also make this a budget. You can create the budget for this year or for next year straight from the forecast. And say, okay, great, I love this. Let's make this my budget for the next fiscal year. And then we'll open up a new tab and have our budget. And I can save it. So it's a great way to look at your cash, look at your forecasting, see how you can improve your business and what you need to do expense-wise to income, and be able to forecast it out over years. Hope this tip helps. Once again, this is Lori Swartz from Siegel Solutions. As a QuickBooks Solutions provider, Siegel Solutions can offer you QuickBooks Online for 30% discount for the first 12 months. To receive this great offer, just scan the QR code on screen or visit the website below the QR code. Once again, it's an exclusive offer from Siegel Solutions for 30% off of your new subscription of QuickBooks Online for the first 12 months. To learn more about Siegel Solutions and our QuickBooks consulting services, which include cleanups, new file setups, third-party integrations, and we also offer ongoing bookkeeping services. Visit our website at www.siegelsolutions.com. You can also email us at info@siegelsolutions.com. And don't forget to follow us on YouTube for more of our tips and tricks videos.